Hey guys, Leif here from iTech Office Technology. Today I'd like to show you the new series of the in the Konica Minolta bizhub range. This is the 8 series, if you like. We've got the C368 here, and the C308 has just been released. So that's this one here, the C368, is a 36 page per minute. Not really that much different to the 4 series to look at. As you can see, it's a slightly up new document feeder, but it's about the same specs as before. We've got this one here with the 2 paper trays, an A3 and an A4. We've got various options underneath. This one's got the large capacity tray that holds 5 reams of paper, or 2,500 pages. That can be just an empty cabinet as well underneath. And we've got also the standard finishing options available. Just a few new things I'd like to point out on the, if you have a look at the panel here, you can see that that's a bit different. So with this new 8 series released, it's really under the hood that is a bit different, and the touchscreen panel as well. You can see we've got the NFC mobile authentication on here. We've also got on the previous model there was a few buttons down the side there, and that's actually moved in on the touch screen here. So if I press that button there, you can see we've got our copy, scan, fax, user box, and interrupt buttons on there. Another thing is that the new 8 series has a standard web browser included. That's not an optional extra. And I'm just going to show you a few of the new options here. There's one with the QR code display, and that's really handy for the PageScope application for mobile printing and setting that up easily. So I'm just going to press that QR code display. You have to configure this first, by the way, to get that to show up. But you can see it'll say at the top here, device information can be registered by reading the QR code from PageScope Mobile. And if you have a look at my iPad here now, I've got the PageScope Mobile running. And so to set up this printer now on the new new printer, we'll go to select printer. So I'll just tap that one, and we're going to go add printer up there. Tap that. We're going to go to you see this option here for QR code. I'll tap that, allow, and then we're going to scan the code. So I'll just go like that, and it'll say printer found. We'll just go add and just wait for that to install. So you don't need to know the IP address or really anything about the printer. It says the printer has been added, and we can close that. That's it. The printer is now available for printing. So that's really cool. One more thing I wanted to mention is these new widgets that you can put onto the front screen. You can see this little symbol I've got there. You can actually move that and drag that around. I'll just put that over the utility button so no one touches that. The other thing, I'll just briefly go into the widgets, and you can see here how we can configure those. You can put widgets on the main screen or the basic copy screen, or there's also, when there's a copy in progress, you can have things on there. And the type of things you can add on there are icons, standard icons like you can see there, animations, and you can also make little text boxes in different colors with displaying any message that you like to put on there. That could be helpful for the user or the operator. You can see there's another little widget that I put on there. And there's also a whole range of other mobile new features to do with PageScope Mobile and wireless options and authentication, and I'll get into that later on. So that's it, just a quick introduction on the new 8 series.